Hey guys, Acid Alchemy here. Just want to show you my left indicator. So for the right, fairly straightforward. But to get it down to, okay, well, I mean, that was pretty nice. But usually I have to push it pretty far down to get it to activate the left indicator. I mean, I've never done anything to the indicator knob or shifter, whatever you want to call it. Do you guys have any suggestions on how to fix it? Is it broken inside maybe? Does need to be replaced? Because again, the right blinker just turns on easy. Left blinker not so easy. Sometimes even if it stays on like that, it might come on like a couple of seconds. Usually by then I've already made the turn. So what I'll do, so I mean, it turned on. What I usually do is I just hold it down. But I mean, you can see how much play. I mean, you know, there's just something wrong there. Again, 2005 S60 2.4 non-turbo. If you guys have any suggestions, feel free to let me know in the comments or just inbox me. I'd appreciate it. Again, this is Acid Alchemy. Have a good day.